Chairman Dr. Devashish, friends, it's indeed my proud privilege to introduce Dr. David Francis Chang. He had a meritorious academic record, graduated from the Harvard College and Harvard Medical School in the University of California. He is presently a clinical professor in the same university, also having a busy practice at Los Altos in the suburbs of San Francisco. He has held various important posts both in the ASCRS and the AAO, having been the president of ASCRS between 2012 to 2013. He has been awarded some of the most prestigious awards in cataract surgery. I'm not going to go into the details of each award because of the paucity of time, but suffice it to say, it is the highest honor that each society could offer in the field of cataract surgery. He has delivered 19 named lectures across the world. He is respected for his contributions to cataract surgery. Almost everyone recognizes the vital importance of the contributions that he has made, and that's the reason that he is a much sought after speaker the world over. He has been voted as the fifth most influential ophthalmologist ever in the world by the International Readership of Ophthalmologists. He has been the editor of iWorld, Asia Pacific Journal of Ophthalmology, Cataract and Refractive Surgery Today. He has been the editor as well as in the editorial board. He continues to serve in this capacity in some of these journals, and his contributions to the advancement of science of cataract surgery in these fields is well known to all of us. Several of his books are considered as masterpieces for learning phacoemulsification, mastering refractive IOLs, the art and science, the phaco chop. I have attended several of his courses both at ASCRS and AAO on phaco chop, which is always a sold out course and always very well attended. There are always several pearls that even an experienced cataract surgeon can take from them. His humanitarian aspect is well embodied by the fact that he is in the medical advisory board of the Himalayan Cataract Project in Nepal, Project Vision in China, and WonderWorks. It's important to note that he donates all his consulting fees from companies as well as textbook royalties to these charities. Apart from the fact that he is deeply involved in the promotion and training of ophthalmologists of these sectors of the world, thus contributing significantly to cataract surgery in the underdeveloped areas. In spite of his various professional commitments, he seems to have an excellent balance. His wife Victoria, they are married for the last 35 years. Alex and Courtney, their children, they are pursued in different specialities, different areas with great accomplishments. I wish I could go on to their biodata itself because it's so impressive. He seems to have established a wonderful work-life balance in spite of his professional commitments. When I contacted him for his biodata, he was holidaying in Antarctica. I think that's where the secret of the success of this man lies. Sometime I would like to listen a little more about this particular slide, Dr. Chang, from you, but that's another aspect of this great man. Ladies and gentlemen, a clinician, an innovator, a scientist, an author, a teacher, a humanitarian, and even more importantly, a family man. Obviously, a person with multifarious accomplishments whom all of us would do well to emulate. I present to you Dr. David Chang.